my vision for the Sabha. See, the oldest available record in recorded human history, democracy appears only in Hindu history. Understand? The oldest available records of the human history, the modern day, the recorded human history, the concept of democracy is available only in Hindu tradition. We call it responsible democracy. Means people who are already educated in economic principles vote for economic principles. People who are already educated in enlightenment science, they vote for the enlightenment science-based related principles. People who are already educated in the field of agriculture and who are practicing agriculturists, they vote for agriculture-based related policies, principles. See, somebody who doesn't have any economical policy, strategy related knowledge, and if you give him the voting right, what he will do? If you give 1,000 rupees to him or some freebie, that is the best economic strategy or policy for his personal life, so he will vote for you. That's all. That's the way the freebies hijack the health of the nation. How in modern day democracies, freebies are used to hijack the health of the nation. Economical health of the nation is hijacked by the freebies. Because for a common man, he knows only economic policies and strategies for his personal life. He doesn't have a knowledge or he is not educated about the country's good or what is good for country, what is the right policy for the country. Because he is not educated. If something he thinks good for his personal economic strategy and economic policy, immediately he votes for it. How the freebies are used to destroy countries. Irresponsible democracy. Hinduism practiced responsible democracy. Each field, people who are experts in that field were given voting right. Beautifully in Shaivite tradition, we have a concept called Anubhava Mantapa. The experience ones gather and vote. Oldest recorded concept of demand draft existed between the Rameshwaram Pandits, Brahmins and Kedarnath Brahmins. They had a system. The Rameshwaram Brahmins, if you deposit some money with them and they will give the palm leaf written with a signature, you take it and give people who are doing the yatra. If you hand over that leaf in Kedarnath, they will hand over the money to you for your yatra. This demand draft system. Same way, Tiruppanandal Adinam had Tiruppanandal Adinam. If you deposit money, you can collect it in their Kashimat branch. They had a system. The documentations are available. The oldest demand draft practice. And in Madurai Adinams, there are references available. Demand draft service between Madurai Adinam and Nellai Gnanasambandar Adinam. I think at some time it was a branch of Madurai, Madurai Adinam. There are some temples in Sri Lanka. Gnanasambandar sang in Devaram. So those temples are also under the spiritual guidance of Madurai Adinam. Once upon a time, even Rameshwaram temple was under the guidance of Madurai Adinam, Arulakshi of Madurai Adinam. And I'm trying to revive the responsible democracy. I'll give you the sutra, the Shastra Pramana, for some of the statements about the democracy. Manusmriti, 8th chapter, first sloka says, Vyavaharan titrushtu brahmanaihi sahapartiva mantragnairapi mantripihi chaiva vinita praviset sabam, desirous of looking into the administrative businesses of the government and governance of the country and the legal cases, the king shall enter the sabha with humility along with brahmanas, the educated ones in those fields, and ministers, thinkers and administrators in those fields who are knowledgeable in giving the right advice. With the grace of Ganapati, Paramashiva, we are working on reviving the parliamentary system practiced in Hinduism, what I call responsible democracy. Rigveda, 10th Mandala, 191st Sukta says, Samsamita yuvase varshannagne vishwanyarya ilaspade samityase tano vasunyapara samgachatvam samvatatvam samvomanamsi janadama devabhagam yada purve sajjanana upasade samano mantraha samiti samani samanam manaha saha chittamesham samanam mantramapi mantraye va samanena oha vishajuhomi samaniva agudi samana ardayaniva samanamastu omano yadava susahasadi. Thou, mighty Agni, gatherest up all that is precious for thy friend. Bring us all the treasures as thou art enkindled in liberation's place. Assembled, speak together, let your minds be all of one accord. As ancient gods, unanimous, sit down to their appointed share. The place is common, common the assembly, common the mind, so be their thought united. A common purpose do I lay before you, and worship with your general oblation. One and the same be your resolve, and be your minds of one accord. United be the thoughts of all, that all may happily agree. Coming to a consensus, how responsible democracy works to come to a healthy consensus, keeping all their private personal interests, likes, dislikes aside, keeping the common good as the goal, how they come to a consensus, how the ecosystem is more important priority than the individual's likes and dislikes. The tyaga of the people, the visionaries, is beautifully described in this verse. I'll give the rough outline. The Chit Sabha, Raja Sabha, Deva Sabha, Kanaga Sabha, Nityananda Sabha. These are the 5 Sabhas. Put together will be called as Hindu Parliament. Chit Sabha will deal with all consciousness related sciences. The purpose of Kailasa is to give a superconscious breakthrough to the world, planet Earth. Chit Sabha will deal the issues related to that. Raja Sabha will deal all the political decisions need to be made and reaching out to politicians, inspiring, integrating them with the cosmic vision of Kailasa. Rajya Sabha will work in that line. Deva Sabha will bring all the best contributions of the Kailasa to the world. Hinduism has so much to offer, whether the flights, Pushpaka Vimana of those days, or the amazing surgery, technology, methodologies of Sushruta, the amazing Hindu medicine, all the best things Hinduism has to offer in the field of life and administration. Deva Sabha will manage. And Kanaka Sabha will manage all the resource development. The Hindus existed as the richest civilization, completely in tune with the nature, without exploiting, abusing, destroying nature. We lived as the richest civilization, reviving those natural resources based lifestyle, and it's a altogether different science. As long as world was following the trend of Hindu civilization 1000 years, 2000 years before, not only we were richest, planet Earth never had any suffering. Nature never suffered. Prakriti was part of us. We were part of the Prakriti. Now the way we are going, if we are not given the right knowledge and education, we may not keep the planet Earth alive for next 100 years. It may not be livable anymore. Even for next 100 years. Within next 100 years, we may destroy it if we don't wake up to the truth. To live with the nature, to live with the Prakriti without exploiting it. It's time we learn to live with the nature, the most beautiful, natural, cosmic way, the Hindu lifestyle. So the Kanaka Sabha will be looking into that component. Nityananda Sabha will work on lifestyle, blissful lifestyle. So, I'll elaborate the whole structure in further satsangs. We will also invite anyone who wants to become part of this Chit Sabha, Raja Sabha, Deva Sabha, Kanaka Sabha. First, we will define them clearly. and the commitment, responsibility expected from the members and the qualification of the members, we will fill out everything, then invite applications, welcome the people who want to be members, and form the parliamentary body, Hindu Parliament. Chit Sabha, Raja Sabha, Deva Sabha, Kanaka Sabha, Nityananda Sabha. These 5 will be the sabhas. Structures put together will be called as Hindu Parliament. We'll start working on it. By Shivaratri, I feel we will be ready with all the 5 sabhas. Maybe Arudra. Arudra comes in Margazhi month. Shivaratri in Masi. It will be nice if we are ready with all the structure, everything for Margazhi, because the Sabha's name I have given based on Chidambaram temple Sabhas. So if it is ready by Margazhi, Tiruvadirai, Arudra, we can offer it at the feet of Nataraja, who administers the whole universe.